Wouldn't it be cool if you could make thousands of dollars a month on Instagram? In this video, I'm gonna be explaining how I make over $10,000 a month on Instagram and how you can do it too. But before we start, welcome to the Young Bosses Club. In this channel, we talk about financial freedom, personal development, and making money online. If you find value in this video, please consider subscribing. It's free and you can unsubscribe anytime. Without further ado, let's get to the video. Growing an Instagram page and making money on it may seem hard, but trust me, if you put in the work and time, it's not. It's definitely not. You don't believe me? Here is some math for you to believe. There's 365 days in a year. If you can get 273 followers a day, it makes 100,000 followers a year. In the beginning, getting 273 followers a day might be hard, but don't worry. After you get some followers, your posts will be appearing on people's Explore tab, and this will help your page to grow really fast. I'm gonna be making more videos about growing an Instagram page, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and let me help you in this journey. I'm not gonna be selling courses or stuff. I'm just gonna be uploading free, valuable content to help you guys start making money on Instagram. So the first thing you should do is choosing your niche. What will your page be about? Choosing your category. Here's some example niches to give you some inspiration. Financial freedom, motivation, investing, luxury, animals, memes, fashion, cooking, architecture, cars, jewelry, sports, technology, and etc. Choosing a niche that you see potential in it and also you like and interested in helps you to not to quit, and therefore this increases your chance to be successful. After you choose your niche, choose a creative, catchy, and easy to remember name. Here are some great page names: Wealth, Founder, Sports Center, Good Life, Income, Houses, Animals Doing Things, Fail Army, Porsche Club, and so on. Also make sure that your page name is not used by someone else in other platforms. You can learn this by just searching the name on Google, and that's all. After you decide your page niche and name, it's time to design a logo for it. If you know how to use Photoshop and design a logo, that's awesome. But if you don't know how to use Photoshop and design a logo, here are some websites that you can use. First website you can use is Canva. Canva is a great website which has tons of templates for you to use in your page. Also, you can use Canva to make your posts. It has a free membership option, but there is also a pro version which is $13 a month. And to be honest, free version is not really useful, so actually you have to buy the pro version to make a good logo on Canva. Placeit is also a great website which is similar to Canva. It has lots of templates in it, but it also comes with a price which is $15 a month. The third website you can use is Fiverr. You can find awesome designers who can make logos for your page on Fiverr. This option can save you a lot of time and it's really cheap. And the last website is Photopea. Photopea is a 100% free online Photoshop alternative. If you don't have Photoshop and you don't want to spend your money on a logo, then you can use this website to design your logo yourself for free. If you're not experienced in designing and you need some inspiration, you can always look at Dribbble and Pinterest to see other people's work. Also, you can check out the logos of other pages which are similar to yours on Instagram. Just make sure that you're not copying someone else's work. And the next and the most important step is posting quality content daily. You have to post at least 3 times a day. You have to be consistent, especially when you're just starting. If you really post high quality content for people will definitely start following your page to see more of your content. And also you can try to post stuff that people can relate and also can send to their friends, so you get more impressions on your page, which will help you to grow faster. Also make sure that you're using hashtags, commenting on other similar page posts to get some visitors to your page, but make sure that you're not spamming and self-promoting. You can also do shoutout for shoutouts with other small pages, and if you have the money, you can advertise your page on bigger pages. Also, you can buy a page which already has followers, but you definitely not have to spend money to start making money on Instagram. Also, make sure that you use IGTV and Reels daily. Especially Instagram Reels has a big potential for going viral, which will help your page to grow fast. Here's a simple trick to get active followers. Some people find this trick useless or desperate, but I used it, and I know many page owners who used it as well, and I can easily say that this trick absolutely works. The trick is called follow for follow. It's really straightforward, it's really simple, everyone knows this. Go to a page which is similar to yours and also bigger than yours. Look at their last post, find a post which was posted maximum a few hours ago. When you find that true post, look at the accounts which liked that post. Go to their profile and start following them. But also remember this, do not overuse this trick, otherwise Instagram can suspend your account. Don't follow more than 150 people a day. Also, you can follow up to 7,500 accounts, so make sure that you regularly unfollow people who are not following you. If you do this correctly and carefully, the success will definitely come. So let's say you made it and your page has some audience. It's time to monetize it. Here are the best ways that you can use to monetize your page. The first one is paid promotions. If you have an audience, there will always be people who want to pay you for promotions. Imagine you charge $50 and you get a promotion every day. That makes $1,500 a month easily. Make sure you don't share promotions too much because it can make you lose followers because they don't follow your page to see promotions. The second way that you can use is affiliate marketing. What is your page about? Let's assume that you have a page about finances. You can share the best ebooks and courses with your followers and get a commission for every sale that was made. It doesn't have to be ebooks or online courses. If you have a page about exercising, you can promote dumbbells for example, shoes. If your page is about technology, you can promote phones, consoles, different technology stuff. And it goes like this, sky's the limit. The best websites I know for affiliate marketing is ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, and Amazon Associates. The third way that you can use is selling your own merch. This one is pretty straightforward. You can directly sell products to your followers. This includes t-shirts, hats, water bottles, hoodies, and stuff like this. If you have a big audience, you can make serious money with this way. And you don't have to pay money for any of these. You can use print-on-demand websites like Printify, so you don't have to deal with storage and shipment of your merch. The fourth way that you can use is ebooks and online courses. You can write ebooks or make online courses for your audience. Now imagine this. If you can sell a $10 course to 1,000 people, it makes it $10,000, and usually courses are way more expensive than $10. I've seen many courses with a price tag like $500, $200. There is a really big opportunity here. I know people who make millions on courses with only like 30k followers or some, so I really recommend you to doing one of these. So these are the ways that I use to make money on Instagram. If you know any other ways of monetizing your page, you can say them in the comment section. I would really appreciate it. I mean, you should definitely get into this Instagram train. If you're not doing Instagram, you're leaving tons of money on the table.
All we had to do was follow the damn train, CJ.
There's still a big potential here, and I will definitely be making more videos about making money on Instagram to help you guys out. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and join to the club. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would really help a lot to grow my channel, and if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section. I will definitely be answering all the comments, and see you guys in another video.